Hi guys, Phil here, and this is Martin with AI. Yesterday I covered a story which was talking about creativity and AI, why they don't go together well. But I beg to differ on that. I believe that AI can be used in the creative process as a brainstorming partner for springboarding ideas, etc. And I'll show you with a question and answer site what I mean. So you can use any question and answer site. Today we're going to be using Quora. So all I'm doing is I'm defining the site using the site Quora.com and a small search query in Google. So we'll have something that is kind of quite recent. So we're not going back years and years. So we've got something that's kind of like maybe trending. So let's see what it gives us, guys. So how do you make a small retail shop into a brand? That's okay. Let's see. All these, by the way, guys, or with one answer or no answers, you could take the answers developed by the AI. I would suggest that you treat them from your own perspective, and then you can submit those to the question and answer site to build up yourself some karma, etc. If you wish to do so. But that's not what we're using it for this morning. So let's take this first one. How do you make a small retail shop into a brand? Now that's quite a broad question, isn't it? So let's go into ChatGPT, and what we'll do is we'll provide it with more focus and more instruction. So the more direction you can give the AI tools, ChatGPT in this example, ContentBot, niches, whatever you're using, the more instruction that you can give them, the more focus you can give them, the better the answers it's going to give you back. Okay, so bear that in mind, please, guys. So let me see. How do you make a small retail shop into a brand? So small. Boutique retail fashion clothing. So we're trying to specify the niche here, the industry that we're working in, get it narrower and narrower into a brand. Well, what kind of brand do we want it to be? An upmarket brand, a mid brand, a low price point brand? Do we want it to be a local brand? Do we want it to be a countrywide brand? Do we want it to be global? So let's say, for the purposes of this, let's say we're going to have it as a country brand. So into I'm based in the UK, so I'll say UK, into a UK brand for women. Age, we're going to put some demographic data in here as well. Age, say 21 to 34. Should make it a bit tight, actually. 21 to 29. Unemployment. So we're giving it just some demographic data here, guys. Unemployment and working at a professional level. If I was doing this as a real project, I'd be putting a lot more information in here, but to keep it kind of broad and not broadish, we're going to have a focus, but not too deep and too in depth and accessible to us all. I'm going to leave it at that level for the time being. So the process you want to go with, in my opinion, with the AI when using it in this particular manner, is use it as a collaborative tool. So when it gives you answers back, take them, treat them, change them to fit your situation, and use the tool as, like I say, a brainstorming tool. Use it to kind of investigate creative ideas, niches, and flesh them out. And then once they're fleshed out, you take them and make them your own. This is the human AI collaboration, which I feel is going to be so important and so useful, especially for smaller players, small brands. It's going to be absolutely superb. And don't forget, I'll include all the prompts and the links in a living document that I've got. And every day, I'll look at the AI news stories, the marketing stories. I'll include those links in there with a summary of the articles and a link that you can click to go to the full article. And also my views on what's happening in the marketplace and any decent tools that I come across. I'll put little reviews in there as well, guys. So hop onto that if you can. I'll leave a link in the description. Anyway, let's see what we're getting here. So, saying develop a unique and distinct brand identity that resonates with your target audience. This includes a memorable logo. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Can you suggest some creative ideas for a logo? So, because ChatGPT has a type of memory built in, we can ask it to refer back to statements it's made in this session. Other tools don't have that I'm aware of. So what you'd need to do is you'd need to include some of the additional information you put into here into this particular prompt. So you'd be saying, can you suggest some creative ideas for a logo for my brand? And then you'd add in, it's a small retail women's fashion clothing shop, blah, 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 blah. So let's see what we get, guys. A monogram using initials of your brand name. Yeah, that would work. Use a symbol or icon that represents the essence of your brand. Okay, so it's got some reasonable ideas there which we could investigate. So best logo for your brand will depend on your brand's aesthetic, target audience, and overall mission. Very, very true. Okay, so it's just mentioned mission there. So I want my brand to appeal to its target audience as mentioned above, and I'd like this to portray the upmarket Can you please outline some short and concise mission? Sorry, guys. So I'm asking there to develop some outline mission statements, which we would then take and tweak and hone and add to and take away from for our particular business, our mission statements. You can see the process that's going on here, guys, and you can run with this process all the way through the whole of a marketing strategy. It's going to take you, some time to do that, but you can do it. If you're new to business and you've got, sort of you want to serve local businesses or whatever businesses, you could take a business and look at what they're doing and then take their essence, their image, what they sell, put it into the likes of ChatGPT and develop a top level marketing strategy for them, and then just hand it to them. Say, hey, what do you think about this? Do you need some help implementing it? If you do, give me a shout. I can help you out. You've got to be creative with this, guys. And if you've got no business at the moment, you've got no clients, and you've got no history, you're going to have to go out and go the extra mile for these people to get them on board, to get them to work with you. So I hope this gives you some ideas how you can use these tools, guys. If you've got any questions, give me a shout. If not, then take care and have a great day. I'll speak to you later. Bye-bye.